Jeremy and Carolyn found a spot, but we had to park way up there. But let's go hit it. Better make sure you have some good shoes. This truck. Yeah, Matthew, Blake, Caleb have already made it up there. There's a little kind of like rappelling going on here to get all the way down. Beautiful falls. Climbing. We'll get there. How we doing, Caleb?
Doing good.
Good? All right. All right, we're going to the upper Soco Falls. This leads all the way down to the bottom. This is another chute that runs into Soco Falls. Here comes Ashley, but the boys have really walked down quite a bit and they found themselves a spot.